Hey there, I'll be showing how to get Maven running on Eclipse. So here we have module 6. Scroll down to the code base. Here's the code base, click this and it will download. I've already downloaded it, save some time. Once you're here, click it, extract all, extract. So that's finished, you'll see this file. That's the extracted version. Now we can open Eclipse, File, Open Projects, Directory, and now you might have to go to where you download it. It'll be in your downloads folder. Click on the code base, select folder, finish. Now we can open this up and take a look at it. And here's the POM. This is what we will need to change in order to get the dependency working. So double click it to open it. Alright, now we need to get the most updated version of the dependency. So just scrolling down right now, the current version is 5.3. We need the most current. Go up to this. This is the website. I'll link it at the bottom for you. So under here, under example 1, from this plugin, all the way down there, where is a plugin with a slash, go ahead and copy that. Now this part from the plugin, all the way down to that plugin, go ahead and delete it, and then we can paste in that new one. Now we can go up to Run Configurations, double click Maven Build. Now go to Workspace, and we need to make sure we choose REST Service because that's where the POM is. Go to Goals, type Install, and click Run. Now you'll see it pop up down here at the bottom. This could take a while. I'll just let it run and we'll fast forward to when it's finished. Alright, now once you're finished, it'll say build success, total time. That didn't take too long. I believe the first time you run this, it can take an extremely long time, but just sit here and wait until it's finished. Now that it's finished, if you open this target, you should see a dependency HTML, but it's not here. Come up here and right click, refresh. Now target's got all this stuff. This Dependency-Check report is what we want. So if you double click that, this is what's showing us all the vulnerabilities we have. I hope this video helped you. I wish you luck.